Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to another daily forex analysis. So starting with yesterday. Yesterday I did not make my research properly to know that yesterday was US Labor Day. I think it was Labor Day, but they had a public holiday yesterday. And normally I don't like to trade during public holidays. So just like I analyzed pound USD when the price was trading somewhere around there, said I would like to see the price take out this low. But if it first takes out this high, then I would like to see the price come and make a run for this low. Then before I will look for trade. And you can see that that was what happened. It took out, you can see that it took out this high. After taking that high, then it made a run for this low. After taking that out, that's when I started looking for reasons to buy. I got a reason to buy around there. I had my stop loss below this point here. And this trade um would have made a good move for me. But the thing had consolidated for a very long time and I was like, what's going on? So I decided to check Forest Factory and then that was when I realized that US was having an event and by this time it was already almost 1 o'clock in my local time. So I just lost interest in the trade basically and I just wanted to get out. So the moment I got out of this little drawdown that I had around there, at this point I just closed the trade exactly at um at break even. There was no profit at all, there was no loss. So I just closed the trade at that point there and left the market. So today we are still bullish. Most of the things I've talked about from the 4 hours and the daily time frame is still standing. And yesterday I said what I was expecting was like a continuation of this impulse. But now you can see that we have higher high. Now I'll just track the trend. You can see from here we have 1 point, we have low, we have lower high, we have lower low, we have lower high, lower low, low. Then now we have higher high, we have higher low, and now we have higher high. So the next thing we are looking for now is higher low for the next higher high. You understand? So um now the next thing I'm looking at now is the areas where the higher low is going to most likely change direction for the next higher high. And I marked out these areas right here because those are the first two visible areas I can see. So basically I want to see the price still make a run into this area. If it makes a run into this area and gives me a reason to buy after it has entered this area, then that's when I'll be looking for a reason to go long. But if it decides to make a deeper pull into this area and gives me a reason to buy from this area, then I'll be looking to buy from that area for a 1 to 3. However, I'm going out today, so I don't know how possible it will be for me to track this market, but I'm going to keep watch on it. If you want to get updates on when I'm taking this trade, if I'm going to be taking it, then follow me on Telegram. I'm going to update it over there. So that's going to be all. There's nothing much to say. We are still bullish, and I expect to see the bullish run continue. But I expect to see the price make a pullback into this low or this low before I start looking for reasons to buy. That's going to be all for now. Have a lovely day.